Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are exploring one of the most versatile, elegant, and timeless interior design elements, wooden room dividers. They are not just partitions, they are design statements that transform open spaces into intimate, functional, and beautiful zones. Whether you live in a spacious home or a compact apartment, a wooden room divider can redefine your interior without the permanence of walls. In the age of open plan living, room dividers are making a comeback, not as barriers but as tools for zoning. We crave both openness and privacy, connection and retreat. That's where wood excels. Unlike metal or glass, wood introduces warmth, texture, and a natural sense of calm. It helps define boundaries without feeling cold or rigid. And because wood harmonizes with almost any design language, from bohemian and rustic to Scandinavian and modern, it feels organic rather than architectural. It is flexible, forgiving, and timeless. Let's go deeper. A good room divider doesn't just separate space, it orchestrates energy. When you step into a room, your eye follows lines, light, and material. A wooden divider directs that movement. It can create mystery, softness, or rhythm depending on how open or solid it is. A slatted divider invites light and condensation through its gaps, ideal for semi permanent spaces. A solid panel provides seclusion for reading nooks or work areas. The beauty lies in its choice. How much do you want to reveal? And how much do you want to conceal? Wooden room dividers are multifunctional marvels. They can hide clutter, define pathways, or even become storage themselves, doubling as shelves, planters, or art displays. Freestanding screens are perfect for renters or those who like to change layouts often. Foldable designs add flexibility and movement. Your space can shift from open to cozy in seconds. Fixed dividers, on the other hand, feel architectural, like part of the home's bones, offering more permanence and cohesion. And with modern joinery and craftsmanship, wood can bend, curve, and interlock, allowing designs that feel more sculptural than structural. One of the biggest strengths of wooden dividers is how they play with the light and shadow. Slatted laser cut or woven wood patterns filter sunlight beautifully, creating moving shadows that change through the day. This gives your interior a dynamic, living quality, and no two moments look the same. Texturally, you can experiment endlessly. Smooth, polished oak for elegance, reclaimed timber for rustic charm, or bamboo for a lightweight, organic vibe. When chosen carefully, the grain and tone of the wood can tie together every other element in your home: floors, furniture, and even ceiling beams. In a modern home, sleek vertical slats or minimalist frames provide structure without clutter. In a bohemian or earthy interior, carved panels or rattan-infused wooden screens blend art and function. For Japanese or Scandinavian aesthetics, think simple pine or birch partitions that use natural light and shadow as decoration. Even in industrial spaces, combining wood with metal accents or exposed bolt brings balance, a dialogue between warmth and grit. What matters most is not the style itself, but the harmony the divider creates between spaces. Don't limit wooden dividers into indoors. They can elegantly define patios, balconies, or garden edges, offering privacy while letting breezes flow through. Wood weathers beautifully outdoors, developing patina and character with time, especially if treated with natural oils or sealants. A wooden divider between your living room and terrace can blur the line between inside and outside. Ultimately, a wooden room divider is psychological architecture. And thanks for tuning in today. If this exploration of wooden room divider ideas inspired you, hit the like button, subscribe, and drop a comment. So until next time, happy decorating.